Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 14th, 2025, and we're diving into Bridger Aerospace's latest earnings report. Bridger Aerospace, one of the nation's largest aerial firefighting companies, has just released its record-breaking fourth quarter and full year 2024 results. Joining us today is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited to discuss Bridger Aerospace's impressive performance and what it means for investors.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Bridger Aerospace reported a revenue of $15.6 million for the fourth quarter of 2024, a significant increase from $1.1 million in the same quarter last year. For the full year, revenue reached $98.6 million, up 48% from 2023. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Absolutely. The revenue surge is primarily due to the extended deployment of their Super Scoopers and surveillance aircraft, which flew into November, and the early start of the 2024 wildfire season. Additionally, the acquisition of Flight Test and Mechanical Solutions contributed approximately $1.4 million to the fourth quarter revenue. This strategic move, along with return to service work on the Spanish Super Scoopers, has bolstered their financial performance.
And what about profitability?
Bridger Aerospace has made significant strides in profitability. They improved their net loss by 80% to $15.6 million in 2024 compared to 2023. Their Adjusted EBITDA doubled to $37.3 million, reflecting their operational efficiencies and cost rationalization efforts.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. How has Bridger Aerospace managed its costs, and what does this mean for their future outlook?
Bridger Aerospace has effectively managed its costs, with the cost of revenues for Q4 2024 at $15.4 million, which includes expenses related to the return-to-service work for the Spanish Super Scoopers. Their SG&A expenses were significantly reduced to $7.7 million, down from $18.6 million in Q4 2023, due to lower non-cash stock-based compensation and professional services expenses. Looking ahead, Bridger has provided a strong 2025 guidance, expecting revenue to increase to between $105 million and $111 million, and Adjusted EBITDA to grow to a range of $42 million to $48 million.
That's promising. How does this position them in the market?
With the trend of year-round wildfire activity, Bridger Aerospace is well-positioned to capitalize on increased demand for aerial firefighting services. Their strategic initiatives, including the acquisition of FMS and securing long-term contracts, are expected to drive sustained growth and diversification of their revenue streams.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. Let's delve into the insights from Bridger Aerospace's leadership. What did CEO Sam Davis have to say about their performance and strategic direction?
CEO Sam Davis highlighted the company's record performance, attributing it to a 48% increase in revenue, cost rationalization efforts, and operational leverage. He emphasized their strategic focus on year-round wildfire activity, which positions them to drive higher contracted levels of revenue and diversify their revenue streams. Davis also mentioned the opportunities to secure access to limited aerial firefighting assets, which is crucial for increasing preparedness and ultimately saving lives.
It sounds like Bridger Aerospace is on a solid path forward. Any final thoughts on their strategic initiatives?
Indeed, their strategic initiatives, including the acquisition of FMS and the partnership for the Spanish Super Scoopers, are pivotal in enhancing their capabilities and market position. These moves are expected to contribute significantly to their growth and operational efficiency in the coming years.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, Bridger Aerospace has delivered a strong performance in 2024, with record revenue and significant improvements in profitability. Their strategic initiatives and focus on year-round wildfire activity position them well for future growth. John, thank you for your insights today.
Thank you for having me. Bridger Aerospace's performance and strategic direction are indeed promising for investors.
Thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more in-depth financial analyses. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Bridger Aerospace's performance in the comments below. Until next time.